rice flakes milk banana smoothie, or rice flakes banana smoothie, or banana rice flakes milk smoothie. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the rice flakes recipes and one of the most delicious of the banana milk recipes and one of the most delicious of the banana recipes and one of the most unique of the banana smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the rice flakes smoothie recipes. We're going to make rice flakes banana milk smoothie or rice flakes milk banana smoothie. We have taken 75 grams of sugar, around 100 grams of banana pieces, and around 100 grams of rice flakes which we have roasted. Put in the rice flakes and the sugar and the banana. And grind well. Now pour in 250 to 300 ml of milk into the grinder. Close and grind well. Now the rice flakes milk banana smoothie is ready. Can be poured into the glass. Now we have poured in the rice flakes banana smoothie into the glass. This is the final rice flakes milk banana smoothie or banana milk rice flakes smoothie. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice flakes recipes and one of the most unique of the banana smoothie recipes and one of the most different of the rice flakes smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the poha recipes and one of the most delicious of the smoothie recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.